this is Maria. I'm going to show you how I made this weekly spread using Goodnotes5 and stickers. So this is the 2019 DigiBujo Natural, which just means that the cover is a brown natural cover. She sells this in different colors. I'll put all her information down here. There'll be a little arrow in YouTube with links and such to where I got the products I'm using. Now, I must apologize because I didn't realize I was using freebies when I made this. I just picked images that I liked. But Jenny Gollan has a newsletter for her subscribers and she gives out freebies here and there. And so some of these are in the freebies, so they're not for purchase. You have to join her newsletter to get freebies, so I'm sorry, I do apologize. But in the links back here below, I gave you alternatives, things that will work, and you can always, of course, use your own stickers. You don't have to use the ones I'm using. So anyway, I'm going to click the pen tool. You can erase your page by clicking the eraser and clear page this way, or you can click the three dots and clear page this way, just to give me back my clean journal so I can start from scratch and show you what I've done. So I'm in February in week 4. You can add images with your image tool here. You can add photos, or you can insert from and go to iCloud, Dropbox, whatever is on your device will show up here. I like to work side by side from photos. So I'm going to drag this over and I'm going to pick my weekly layout first, and this does happen to be one of the freebies, so I do apologize. This came with the Cute Planner and she gave this to us for free. The Cute Planner comes as a Monday start, so she gave us the Sunday start as a freebie. So there's my weekly spread. Any weekly spread will work, so be creative if you can't get this one. Let's go to the next sticker. Let's pick a washi. And this was also a freebie sometime in February. I'm going to tap and crop. Any washi will work here. If you're in freehand mode, you can do this kind of thing. I'm going to pick rectangle mode just because I'm picking up a washi and that works better. Click done, rotate, make it the size that I think I want it, and size it. I've got up and down and side to side here, and just drop it into place. I'm going to take my lasso tool with images turned on, lasso, copy, and paste, and now I have 2 of those. So I'm going to just rotate this around and drop it on the other side. Now I've covered up the wording there, so I'm going to drop that into place. Rather than using lasso, if I lasso, I'm going to move all of this. I don't want to do that. I'm going to long press and edit, and that will just move the one sticker. I want it to match this one, but I want it shorter so that I don't cut out the words over here of the week 4. Now this sticker, I'm just going to do the same thing, long press and edit, and we'll make it so that it doesn't hide my washi. Okay? Alright, let's go get the next sticker. Let's see, the top washi was knitting needle hearts. This one you can buy. I'll put a link below. Tap and crop. And size it. Drop it into place. Lasso, copy, tap and paste, and now I have a match on the other side. Okay, and you can always reposition this as needed. The lasso is very cool. Just remember, if you're working really close to another sticker, just long press and edit instead of using lasso. Otherwise you'll move everything. Okay, next sticker is actually an iWatch face. This is meant for a watch. Let's see. This one is meant for a watch. That one is meant for a watch. You can just buy these, and they are meant for your iWatch, but since I don't own an iWatch, I just use them everywhere else. So I'm going to use this as a backdrop to my layout here, and just drop it into place. I'm going to pick up another set of stickers. Let's see, a little motivational pack. That was, again, a freebie, but any stickers will work. Tap and crop, and I'm going to freehand, just because a rectangle will pick up some of these other stickers. Done. Whichever sticker you lay down first will stay on the bottom, and your top stickers will stay at the top. Okay. I'm going to go back to that same sticker sheet. Tap and crop, freehand again, and just size that to fit, and there we go. So that is actually it for stickers. Now we're just going to use some text. I'm going to click my text tool, pick a color. I'm going to pick green, just that I like green. Pick whatever color you like. I'm clicking the paintbrush, and I'm going to select, let's see, what's the name? Pretty Genevieve, I think it's called. Pretty Genevieve. Okay, click the back arrow, and you get to select your size here. We'll pick something big. And double tap. February. Okay, there's that. If you don't like the size, you can use the lasso and simply turn off images. I'm using a text box is what I'm going to select. I can circle and resize and make it the whatever size you want to make it. Okay, so your lasso is very cool. You can also change your color of your text from here to whatever you want. Quick color change and quick sizing. That's really, really cool here. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my text, double tap. This is week 17 through 23, and I'm going to lasso and make that smaller. Okay, and I'm going to back to my text tool. Now I can tell that's really big, so I'm going to try to make this smaller. And then just use the lasso to move it. Okay, if you find that's a little too small, text, double tap, select all, and you can resize from here. 25 is a good size. Yep, 25 is a good size. So we'll drop that into place. Tap, double tap, lasso and move it to place. Text, double tap. It's not remembering. Yeah, it did. No, it didn't. Select all and change my font. And just go all the way down. I'm going to go to my text tool, pick a pretty purple, and type away. Move it with the pen while I'm at it. Tap the next one. Okay. Tap the next one. And one more time. I can't see it, but I know it's there. There it is. Just move the journal behind it. And there we go. One last thing I did was I went to my shapes tool. I'm going to pick an orange and a pink, so that when I make my little boxes, I'm going to start with the pink and then the shapes tool with fill color, and when I make my little square, it will fill in that color. Okay, my orange will do the same thing. My orange will do the same thing. Okay, I'm going to lasso. This counts as handwriting, so I'm going to copy and paste this all the way back down. And just line them up as best you can. This way I don't have to draw them over and over. Okay, and that is it for my weekly layout. Thanks for watching.